Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 30 where we have a new concept in module 2, that is long O sound. Children, you have already learnt the long sounds for vowels in M2 class, and also I have revised it in the previous classes. So, what do you mean by long O sound? The long O sound is nothing but letter O takes its name as its sound. So, letter O will sounds as O in these set of words. Let us see with few examples through the materials. For O-E, O, here we have few more long O sound letters. In today's class, let us learn O-E, O with few examples through the material. For the first, I would like to take O-E. The first picture card that I am going to take under O-E is globe. 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 When I say globe, globe, the beginning sound that we listen in the word globe is gl, the blend. After gl in the word globe, the next sound that we listen is gl-o. It is O, where I place O-E. What comes here when two vowels are there? Here comes a consonant. Globe. Globe. The last sound that we listen when I say globe is B. Even though we have letter E here, letter E remains silent. Globe. Globe. The next picture card is, children, can you recognize this picture? Yes, it is a musical notes. Musical note. Here we call it as note. When I say note, the beginning sound that we listen is n. After n in the word note, the next sound that we listen is O. N-oat. Note. For that, I'll place O-E. And which letter takes the place of blank here? It is T. When I say n-o-t, the last sound that we listen is T. So children, when we have O-E, what happens to letter E? Yes, it remains silent. So the last sound that we listen in the word note is T. N-oat. Note. So here, in this set of words, letter O takes its name as its sound. Got it, children? Let us move on to the next examples. The next example that I am going to take is letter O. In this set of words, wherever we see letter O, we have to read it as O itself. Here also, letter O takes its name as its sound. The first picture card that I am going to take here is of mango. G-O, mango. The first sound that we listen in the word mango is m. After in the word mango, letter A. After A, G. And the last sound that we listen is O. Mango. Letter O takes its name as its sound here. Let us see one more picture card. It is a post box. Here we call it as post. When I say post, the beginning sound that we listen is P. After P in the word post, the next sound that we listen is O. Letter O takes its name as its sound. After O in the word post, the last sound that we listen is st. The blend. S and T together makes stir. It is a blend, children. Post, post. So in this set of words, wherever we see letter O, we should read it as O itself. Got it, children? The name of the letter itself will be the sound here. In the language workbook, in page number 31, we have a concept O-E, which we have already learned through the materials. Here we have to write the names of the pictures. Here we have a hint box to help us. We can take its help to fill in the blanks. The first picture is nose. N-O-S. So what happens to E here, children? Yes, it remains silent. The next picture is bone. B-O-N. Here also letter E remains silent. Rope. R-O-P. Rope. What happens to letter E here? It remains silent. And letter O takes its name as its sound. Got it? Let us move on to next pictures. Cone. K-O-N. Cone. O takes its name as its sound and E remains silent. Globe. Gl-O-B. Globe. Here also letter O takes its name as its sound and E remains silent. Throne. Th-R-O-N. Throne. E remains silent and O takes its name as its sound. After completing this, let us move on to the next activity. Trace and write the words. N-oat, note. Ch-os, chose. R-ode, road. H-ol, hole. Sp-oak, spoke. And R-ob, robe. After completing this, here still we have few words to read. Joke, hope, vote, loan, node, rose, mope, home, alone, froze, grow, stone, slope, phone, smoke and close. Dear parents, after the child completes this work, please take a white paper or cardboard sheet, write the heading as O-E and write all the words given in page number 31, one below the other, and ask the child to read the words regularly. It helps the child a lot in learning new words. After completing it, let us move on to the page number 32, where we have an activity to write the names of the pictures. Post. Post. Here also we have a hint box as a help. The first picture is post. It is a post box. Here we call it as post. Bolt. B-olt. Bolt. In all these words, letter O takes its name as its sound. Roll. R-O. Letter O takes its name as its sound. Okapi. Name of an animal. Okapi. Oval. Lotus. you can observe in all these words, letter O takes its name as its sound. After completing it, we have one more activity to do. Trace and write the words. Cold, told, host, fold, open and omen. Dear children, you have to trace them and copy the same in the space provided. I expect the children to read the words while writing. Still we have few more words to read. Hold, old. See the difference between these two words? It is hold. It is old. Got it? Gold, bold, sold, told, scold, behold, pole, most, hotel, golden, post, obey, jolt and molten. Dear parents, kindly prepare a reading card also for this. Take the heading as O and write all the words given in page number 32 one below the other and give the child to read it regularly. So that the child should learn in this set of words, wherever we see letter O, it should be read as O itself. After knowing O-E and O, have the similar activity in language practice book. Let us complete it. In page number 6, we have an activity to trace and write the words containing O-E and O sounds. Children, here we have few words with O-E and O sounds. I'll read the words for you. You have to trace them and copy the same in the space provided. I expect you to read the words while writing. I'll read the words for you, children. The words given are cold, lotus, post, fold, open, oval, stone, nose, rose, home, joke and hope. After completing this, we have one more activity to do here. Read the given words, add E and write new words. Here we have two words, that is odd, rod, hop, hop. In these two words, letter O takes O as its sound. When we add letter E as the ending letter for both the words, let us see what happens. Odd, road. When we add letter E to the word rod, the word rod becomes road. Letter O takes its name as its sound. The next word is hop, hop. Here letter O has taken its short sound, that is O. Now I will add letter E as the ending letter to the word hop. Let us see what happens. Hope, hope. Even though letter E remains silent here, it changes the sound of letter O here. See, in the word hop, letter O has taken its short sound. In the word hope, letter O has taken its long sound. Op, mop. O has short sound. Op. If we add E, the letter O takes its long sound. Ought, not. O has taken its short sound. If we add letter E as the ending letter here, not becomes note. Children, hope you will do it by your own. Dear parents, kindly help your child also to complete the activity given in page number 6. Thank you.